Hello everyone, you are welcome to Mo Precious Concept. I am by name Simeon Eni Lumoka. Now we have to continue with our training. We'll be moving straight to chapter 4, which is theme and plugins. But we under this theme and plugins, I will drop two videos. Yes, two videos. So the first video, we will have to go to the first video now. I promised you that I will be giving you a premium items. Premium items means items that I have paid for. Now let us check this. We'll be using in the course of this training. We will be using Divi Theme Builder. Yeah, Divi Theme. We'll be using Divi Theme, and Divi Theme is owned by elegantthemes.com. So we are now here. Now, if you click this area, these are 3 lines. You click these 3 lines, then you click on Divi. Then now go to plan and pricing. Now you will see. Now let us change this to desktop mode. So you can see. Yes, this is what I want to give to you. Can you see? Now it is even now $199. I bought it $249. But I will be giving you now this theme free of charge. I will give you this theme free of charge. Now let us move back to where we will log into our site that we are designing. I promised you I told you in the previous video that we'll be logging in now through the second option. So now we have to input our domain name. Then we have to include /wp-admin. Now that is it. Now press go. It will take us to where we will be able to log in into our WordPress dashboard. That is the back end of our website. Now you have to input your username here or your email, which I have already. That is it. Now you don't forget this. The username you used when you are installing this WordPress, don't forget this username. Is very, very important. That is what you will be using to log into your to your WordPress dashboard. Now click login. It will take us directly to our dashboard. Can you see? We are now inside. Let us use desktop mode. Change to desktop mode. Yes, this is it now. It can do like this. It can ask you when you change to desktop mode, then you have to log in again. But in most cases, it will not do like that. Now we are in desktop mode. The next thing for us to do is to check this place. As you can see, anytime you see this sign, it means there is a problem that you need to address the problem. If you check this area, you will understand what I'm talking about. See this PHP. That means we have to update this PHP. So how do you update PHP? You will have to go back to your C panel. Yes, you have to go back to your C panel. Now if you click this area, it will take us to where you will be able. You can see that this one is not where you will be able to log into your to your WordPress. This is where you'll be able to log into your C panel. So you have to input this, then click login. Then it will take you to where you'll be able to see your C panel. And inside your C panel, then we will address that area. Click your domain name. It will take you to this area. Click login to C panel. Then it will take you to your C panel area, where we will address that issue, that PHP update issue. Yes. Yes, we are now inside our cPanel. You can decide to change to desktop mode, and you can decide to use like this. So I will like to use like this. Yes, I would like to use like this. Then you will have to go to software. Go to software. Yes, this is software. Then you will see what is it called, multi PHP manager. Can you see? Check this area. You will see multi PHP manager. Multi PHP manager. Just click on multi PHP manager. Click on multi PHP manager. Then it will load this area for you. As you can see, it's telling us now that warning, PHP version PHP 7.2 is depreciated. Yes, it depreciated. It means you need to update this PHP. Now you will have to click this area, then pick the PHP that you want to use. As you can see, we are using 7.2, but now they have 7.4. So you have to click 7.4, then you will have to apply. Click 7.4, then you will have to pick the what is it called, the domain that you want to use it for. Click the domain that you want to use it for. That is effectglobalservices.com. Then this apply will be clickable. Now click on that apply. It will now update this PHP. It will now update. Can you see? Successfully applied PHP version 7.4. Version 7.4. Now let us go back to that area where we were before. That it was complaining about PHP update issue. Can you see? We are now in the area. You can see now we still have this issue. Now the next thing for us to do is to just refresh this page. When you refresh this page, then you will discover that error message that we are getting will not be there again. It depends on your network. As you can see, we don't have that issue again now. Now the next thing for us to do is to tackle that theme that we want to use. That theme that we want to use. I have installed this theme already, but I will still have to show you how to install your own theme. Now the next thing for you to do is to, as you can see, we have post. Let me zoom this area. We have post. That is where you'll be able to post into your site. We have media, where you control your media. Pages, where you'll be controlling your pages. Then comment. Appearance, that is where you will be controlling your theme. Yes, plugin, where you will be able to install plugins. In the course of this training, we'll be installing plugins. Then user, where you will be able to control how, as in people that will be managing your website. Maybe you don't want to be the only person that will be managing your website. Maybe you want to add someone that will be acting as your manager. That is the area where you will be able to add the person. That is user area. Tools, you will find tools there that you will be able to use to control your what is it called, your site. Then settings, this is the Divi. This is the theme that we have to give you the login and the pin, the username and the pin. I have paid for this theme already. Now we will have to click on appearance. We want to install theme, so appearance is where we will be able to install themes. The next thing for you to do after clicking appearance is to click theme. Click themes, and it will open that page where you will be able to address that your as you can see, I have installed this Divi already. But I will still have to show you how to install your own theme. Yes, click this area, then it will display like this. You can see, click on add new. Click on add new, then zoom. I will have to zoom to this area, then upload theme. I will be giving you the file. I will give you the username in zip format, because any theme that you want to upload must come in zip format. So you have to click on upload. When you click on upload, then you will have to click on choose file. Click on choose file. Then it will take you to this area where you'll be able to pick that file that you want to update. As you can see, it took me to directly to this area, resources area. This is what I will be giving you. Copy of Divi that comes in zip format. Then this Divi key text, that one is the key, the username and the key. Now you will have to double click on this copy, or you can just click on it, then it will load to this area. Then the next thing for you to do now is to click on install. Click on install. Click on install. Then it depends on your network how fast this will install. You know, I have installed this already, but it will still process this. Then I can easily click on override. But in your own case, you will not have that issue. Just select your file, then click on install. Click on install, and it will install your. Yes, as you can see, in your own case, it will just congratulate you that you have successfully installed your Divi theme. But now, as you can see, because I have installed this theme already, then the next thing for me to do, in case maybe you install a theme but you don't need the theme again and you want to install another theme, or there was a mistake when you are installing the theme, now you want to override. So the next thing for you to do when you get to this stage is to click on replace current with uploaded. Replace current with uploaded. Then it will replace the one that I have there already. Now it is installing that now. It is installing it now. Yes, it's installing. Yes, as you can see now, if you check this area now, you will see that it's telling us that we have successfully updated the theme updated successfully. Now the next thing for you to do is to now click on now it will be showing you like this. You can see Divi, it will be showing like this. Now we will have to put, because if you are using it like this, then there will be issue. But you will have to put in the key. That is to show that you bought this what is it called, this theme. It will now be a premium theme that you will be able to use for life. You'll be able to use it for life. You don't have to pay again. You don't have to pay monthly subscription. You don't have to pay yearly subscription. This is full, as in lifetime sub. But before we do that, for Divi theme to work properly, there is one plugin that we need to add. Now you will have to click on plugin, then click on install. No, click on add new. Click on add new. Yes, click on add new. So you have to click on add new. Because we want to add new plugin. Click on add new. As you can see, this is the plugin. It will take you to this area. When you click on add new, it will take you to this area, and this is the plugin that we need to install, which is Classic Editor. If you don't install this Classic Editor, you might be having problem with Divi. So the next thing for you to do is to click on install now. When you install this, then you will activate it. Always activate after you install your plugin. Don't forget, when you install your plugin, it will not work not until you activate the plugin. Yes, not until you activate the plugin. Now we are installing the plugin now. Yes, successfully installed. Now the next thing is to click on activate. Click on activate. When you click on activate, yes, as you can see, now we have our theme, which is classic editor. We don't need this plugin that is down here, hello.ly blah blah. We don't need that, and we don't need this one. We will remove those plugins when we get to our second video under this chapter. Now the next thing for you to do is to now input your username and your pin for your Divi, so you'll be able to use it in a premium format. When you click on your Divi, the next thing for you to do is to click on theme options. When you click on your theme options, then it will take you to where you will be able to do that. Now we are in here now. Now the next thing is to click on updates. As you can see, let us change this one to, we are in desktop mode already. Let us just go back. Now click on updates. When you click on updates, yes, it will take you to this place. Now this system wants you to input your username and your key. What will you now do? The next thing you will have to do is to go and locate where your username and your key, where you keep them. Yes, now you will have to go and. So in case of my own phone, I know where I stored those stuff. I know where I stored them. So make sure you know the precise place, the precise folder that you stored your zip item and that key that I will be giving you. Know the area that you stored them. So we have to go to that area now. Now I will have to go inside my database, then install internal storage. After internal storage, I will have to locate that folder, which is resources. I kept them inside the resources area. Yes, I will advise you also to use that name to create your folder where you will be keeping those as you can see, this is the copy of the Divi and this is the Divi key. Now you will have to open this Divi key. You will have to open it. I will be opening this Divi key with my office manager. Yes, office. So it will open it for me now. Yes, as you can see, this, check this area, you will see username. This is the username. So you have to copy this username. Copy the username. Yes, I have copied the username. Now you go back to where you are working, which is this area. Now you put the username. Paste this username here now. Paste it here now. That is the username. Now you will have to go back again to go and bring the key. We have two keys there. You can use either of the two keys. Yes, I'll be using this upper one. Both are very good keys. Now you will have to come back to this area, then paste your key. Yes, paste your key. We have the key there now. Now the next thing for you to do is to click on save changes. Yes, now you have a premium team. You don't have to pay again. You don't have to pay anytime for this team. You don't have to pay for this team. Yes. Now the next thing for you to do is to just go back to your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. Home. Go back to your dashboard. Click on home, then it will refresh like this. Now if you want to check that site, you can remember when we finished that installing that day, we checked the site. Now we want to check on the site. Now if you click this area, click on visit site, it will take you to that site. Now you will see Divi Theme in work. Yes, as you can see now. Yes, this is the site. Yes, this is the site. The site. Now the next thing for you to do is to continue building designing your site step by step. Now we will be ending this video right here. You know, I told you that I will be dropping 2 videos under this chapter, which is theme and plugin. This is the first video, which is where we installed our theme. And don't forget, we installed also one plugin, which is Classic Editor. In the next video, we'll be installing other plugins. I remain yours faithfully, Simeon Enilumoka. I will see you in the next video.